Nande nechinga kichabe no manchumuri tokonyona semesa ya mangana mahibina ndade wate kaime na isko ya Gusii no kwakira nambe ya karoja takurira Ndizi TV ne ruwansu mausi karoja gire Chinsa Ikomi chabana wargo bali tkuria chumaine chitari kemeronkebere motini watano mu mwaka jirubere nemeronkebere nisoto kwa tena bono ikalanso iki osira dirari bagali aulia bene uramanyanga kyandade wate kaime na isko ya Gusii bono ababunge ni gobayiranire bikaro byabo Asi marogoba ya boni ganne kroba uchuko kwane finance bill eli abange bakoyamereria na abange bakoyesira so mubwasimiu ro moja bagendere gutinera magoro insina okana abone finance bill yise wetanigira chiko musigo monene ase abakenya bigo muraibwense ni gateruna ere ni gakirete na kuganya arore mupunge ki okoyekana singencho kolenganera ni gebiri yebwa tamaye go cha saba Kenya ise wetego kabamana inche nkomanyi asenjera yoko yachuta ekiagera mangiri ogikonyore kerarage ense yemo yabona maro bakolenda seboniga tigangoire nkomanyi asoko yachuta ekeroto kubatera na chosho utakorwa sense million yumunwe manyerio abigari nyanja mane kuna goche ira sirio ya mone chibicha eriane Brighton Makori. Ekerono to gusabo kwa bera singincho ya gaitlavu kwa ke mitambo kone dia totaraenda sebunge tianda koira ase county ya Nyamira toraranari agendrete orogo senari ando korkana ekero ekbogi maboge endete kokonga asense ya Kenya sakaribosire oyu ore noborema ni gobona nyarega kuburia serikali kwene kimuna nkobekere meroberimia iraje gusira ori okonyora kukonyora gwainse inira nyarega kwegendereri ubugima ni ganyaraka okwane keromori kito cyo mangi agendete kutubwatira roboti orukorende ekengensengera totomeire barage kubwatia
Marietane sakaria bosire na ande igondo omolemaru utabwati magoro pi iga Nyamira nonde igasiane ngokorane yo gusonie bikoroto nande igeko begasi kiagera obure mu butore oboro asokorere business barusie bangoro lakini ekere ngutaka kwagacha nencha singwene takobera nande igokonyora abantu batumwe kurwo obisi ya nande bazaito kunkani ngate bwene titimbwene tikwaga inche nkweyagachira lakini nande mbatagiti bali abanyene bukamba bwene tukutwagacha nentwazi tubwene takoba umuntu okorukwo molemaru onyendirie kunyarekana nga aroseirie ntwe inenje onkoro anga ondoseirie ase no ana ase kuwagura na asara asabe no ana gauzi kiango otokoroseriwa
Omwasiri wejisemye sekeri majaguni gatebune serikali ya Kenya kwanza wethira se wisara yechisemi ni enda kobeke merubirimi ya kwene kunango sirere chisemi uzingo sirere chiskuru anene ase aborki wakonyora endagera abakori ase chiskuru gakwana se county ya Nairobi karobaikirana ase skuru ya Roisambu skuru yo borosa se county ya Nairobi yinero murai wensanya kawikirana nigatebuna gwetera serikali ya begire chibese ejijira jikwene kibuna merubirimi ya kogenderera chiskuru no nyina sensemo yendagera.
Excellency, in Kenya, school feeding program has been going on in 26 of our counties in the country, the ASIR areas. And as the governor said, Your Excellency, there are areas in Nairobi which, of course, our people are in abject poverty. And Your Excellency, we thank you for giving guidance and giving direction in this, because the amount of money that we have been getting each and every year is a maximum of 2 billion. But you have tripled that, and Your Excellency, I undertake that the direction you have given as a means of education, we will make sure that we work very, very closely.
Sensemo ya ye murai wense Dr. William Ruto oyibono ikirana asomo yego yubo gochakia emeroberi yokwena ndagera gochasi ange skuru yaro isambu ase county ya Nairobi ni gobona nyarega kuboria bagavana kubaterana na babotani begisemi ase county awo erigo kinye birengo bigisemi nonye nabo na kwene kibindi ndagera gotokera ase chiskuru
in school because there are no opportunities for them to learn in a proper school. So nafikiri tumekubaliana. I want to ask all counties what Sakaja is doing in Nairobi County. I want to ask all our county governors to participate in this program of school feeding. I made a commitment in our manifesto. I remember talking to this girl, Pongezi Sana Wawira, you are great. When I met you, I told you this kitchen, we're going to work together. And I'm happy, Sakaja, you have lived up to that promise. So we will make sure that watoto wetu wote watasoma, wako shuleni, ndio tuende.
Liberera litindi ni olikagero jikwene kiwase bungene litsko liarero hanene maragoba ya boniga ekerebi karebyu beranereirwe n'ababunge kero ngana ye finance bill chikoire meli na okwaniru sebunge yegi kalekyo chikorawa n'omunogari bwebunge enene Moses Mesike wetangura ni gobono ababerera agendere gotindia gosaba ababunge bali bakwana sense meyo bali bagosira na bali bakwamereria lebareta kurutana Chinsa chintidi asamagajo yebunge.
I thank you. Members, take your seats. Yes, Jared, what is out of order?
Really, nothing out of order. Everything is in order, Honorable Speaker. But Honorable Speaker, the Constitution did come up with the Equalization Fund. And if we read that Constitution properly, it was also time-bound. It has been 10 years since the advent of county governments, Honorable Speaker. And we also have 10 more years before the end of Equalization Fund, Mr. Speaker. What did happen, Honorable Speaker, are that there were two warring factions on who to implement issues of Equalization Fund, Honorable Speaker. The county governments thought that that was money which was meant to be sent to those respective counties that qualified for Equalization Fund. Yet again, through line ministries, the executive thought that that was money that was to be controlled by the executive through respective line ministries, Honorable Speaker. This matter did go to court, and I'm not sure whether determination has already been made by the court of law as to who should implement these funds, Honorable Speaker. Because again, the idea behind the Equalization Fund was to bring everybody at par.
Omubunge Osuna East Unity Mohamed niganyale kao kwana sige kalekyo anakaranya kate abone finance yo netake ose finance bill netake rekori ruboya elinde nyareke gokonya bakenya bonsi korenganere isigweta bunere nigera chiko mosigo morito kujasa bakenya.
You can't be marginalized in Nairobi. So, Mr. Speaker, there was a sinister motive. Actually, what caused the delay for the last 10 years, there were people who have refused to let go that money, Mr. Speaker. And they know themselves. I don't need to mention names on the floor of the House. They refused to let go. Mr. Speaker, when this country got the new constitution and went to the devolved system, Mr. Speaker, people realized that now that there is equitable revenue share, it was in the vision of the makers of the constitution that those people who will not get enough revenue in the equitable sharing, this equalization fund can be used to uplift their standards, Mr. Speaker.
Omogumenere bube county ya Nairobi estabasalis nigobona nyare kagosoka tene nagote abuna ninge kogera gosire pa finance bill yo mwaka yo atadibina erengati yabali no ekara so mubwasimioro moja oirige tambakero yokwana gwango sirale finance bill yarke weta korenganere nigebwata maya ochesaba Kenya.
Another thing, Your Excellency, it is known that I am supporting the finance bill. And the reason I'm supporting the finance bill is because of what is happening even here. I've seen the governors hold you ransom and say they want more money. And when they want more money, they want that money so that they can be able to do the things that the Governor Sakaja is doing here. Governor Sakaja, this is a very valuable investment. I have seen children go to school from as early as 5:30, they start walking. They have not had a good breakfast. If you keep them in school till 4 o'clock and they don't have a meal in between, they will not be able to study. And the budget of over 600 billion going for education will be wasted if our children are hungry and they cannot study. So I want to say, wananchi, wajua maisha itakuwa ngumu, lakini baada ya kuteseka kidogo, nchi yetu itaenda mbele. Lazima tujitegemee, lazima tulipe ushuru, lazima tujenge nchi yetu. Ndio maana mimi ninapongeza serikali kutafuta hiyo pesa hata kama itakuwa ngumu, ili tuweze kutoka kwa deni, tuweze kujenga ile infrastructure ambao hatuna kwa hii nchi yetu. Mimi nataka kuona wamama watoke slums, waingie kwa nyumba ya mawe, watoto wa live na dignity, wapate chakula kwa mashule, wapate elimu bora. Watu ambao wako na kazi sahihi wasipoteze kazi yao, kwa sababu mtu ambao anafanya kazi kama daktari au nurse au mwalimu anawasaidia wale ambao hawana kazi.
Ayubono kagenderete muraibwense Dr. William Toniga singero deabuna ereniga ganyete korra mupungeki orajigo kane finance period ye karoli kurero bagenda tukoje kwanda asamagajo yebunge muraibwense yo yakwana yekera ikase skuru ya roisambu asiskuru yoboroso ritkurero nigateruna no bosoku sana ababunge koyekana ikyagera abumbali bale mamincha no magendero asense yetu ya Kenya.
Ndio mimi nilisema mimi nangojea kuangalia mtu ambaye anasema anataka watu yake waishi kwa salamu. Anataka vijana ambao wamemsaidia akapata ajira waendelee kuhangaika barabarani wasipate ajira. I am looking, huyo mtu sijui anakaa namna gani na sijui kichwa yake ni mzuri ama iko kombo kiasi gani. Ama ni aje ndugu zangu? Surely. Na nimesema vile vile katika hii budget tumesema vijana wetu ambao wanatoka Tibet, tunataka vijana waje wafanye kazi. Tumesema hata furniture. Hii furniture inatengenezwa hapa Roysambu. Kuna watu wengine wanaenda kununua furniture China, wanaenda kununua furniture Marekani, sijui wanaenda kununua ati kitanda. Na hii kiti ya kukalia hapa, unaenda kununua Marekani, na tuko na vijana hapa wanaweza kutengeneza furniture. Nimesema kwa hii budget wale watu wanaleta furniture kutoka nje watalipa ushuru kubwa sana, kwa sababu tunataka vijana wetu watengeneze furniture hapa nyumbani. Tuko na vijana wa kutosha, tuko na mbao na randa na hiyo ingine, watoto wetu hapa wafanye kazi. Ama mnasema mnataka tulete furniture kutoka nje? Kitanda ya kulalia hii inatengenezwa hapa Roysambu.
Boigo muraibwense niga singirebu na ubwagaji bw'inyumba gwikabochiko gendera korengana era na ubuo kabora nyare bogo konya na kwene kibina basaye ngonyora bale mirimo asense ya Kenya.
Si ni vizuri tujenge nyumba vijana wetu wapate ajira? Ama mnasemaje? Si ni vizuri tujenge nyumba hawa vijana wapate ajira? Na tutoe watu yetu kwa slums waishi mahali pazuri? Sasa kama wewe ni mbunge umechaguliwa Nairobi na wewe unapinga ati tusijenge nyumba, wewe umeajiriwa na watu wa Nairobi, unalipwa mshahara. Wewe utaki watoto wao walipwe mshahara kama wewe. Wewe utaki watu wa Nairobi waishi mahali pasafi vile wewe unaishi. Wewe unataka wakae kwa slum, watoto wao waendelee kuhangaika barabarani. Wewe ni kiongozi ama wewe ni adui ya wananchi? Tuambiane ukweli. Yeah? Surely, which leader in this day and age will oppose a program that is going to give dignity to his voters, that is going to give jobs to the people who have given him a job, that is going to give decent...
Ekerobono botudu kanu bogendete kwene kiwase kiombekeri kia NHIF nigo bono mowasiri bobochenu sona kuminja deruna na mange atakiri kurigirirwa ase kiombeki korengana nigo kanyoro botudu kanu bonge bwarorekande koba ase kiombekyo na ande boigo wikanyareka wosiorigu na bande bonzi bari baji gotokana na mbakore toko mocha bari getambogero keri.
And I can tell you, Chair and honorable members, it is not just these 6 facilities that were highlighted. We have a big problem. And one member said that how is it that over 60% of payments from NHIF goes to private facilities? Chair and honorable members, it will shock you that of the payments we made this month, after having delays from Exchequer for a long time. The top facility to be paid is one that we have suspended. And in all honesty, and I am yet to be convinced, that you will have a small private facilities doing most.
Omurai Wenze Dr. William Ruto litkoria robo igona nyara ga konyorana na United High Commissioner for Refugees Filippo Glandi asebona omurai Wenze anyalika de abonemero video netakere kobe kweli kwena kinang obotutukano Wenze uri wakwena kiwasense ya Sudani ngo ikabora asomwari asata yode byombe binde byonzi biribira asense ya Sudani gojamo na kwena kuna ngokora baro mochando uyendete kwena ki senseme yumura yoyo viribo ni ganyaraka kumutarira murai Wenze samaga State House emambie litko lero.
Mr. President.
How are you, my good friend?
I'm good.
Welcome to Nairobi. Welcome to Kenya.
Always good to
Thank you very much.
You know my representative
yes.
here,
How are you, Caroline?
Who is our new regional director. You know we have our office here.
Okay, very good. Mamadou, how are you? I'm very good. Celebrating the day.
Thank you very much for that. You know what you told me last time? Yes, the president.
Yes.
Yes.
Omominyoki ya tafeti kipego ni gagendete konyora ligesa litindi nedi nyinge mono anekelanyarire kago sirwanes company ya Safaricom gose company oberani ya Safaricom ibinenjere ya yokomo moyo na kwa abandi gochokoro moyo gokore mokia asemeroberi gose asechiko asoko nianchuka asense ya kente toranga kyanyara gutwara mogoko ekelanyara kwegwa nibeyo ya shilingi chimilioni ibere.
Hitting that world record with a span of 1 week, it motivated me a lot to know that everything is possible. I was doubting myself in the 5,000 race because I told my management that I'm only going there to try and just to run my personal best, to lower my personal best and just to enjoy the race. But I didn't know I was going to break the world record. It just came as a surprise. I thank God. I'm still shocked.
It also fits with our brand in terms of showcasing and celebrating big stars in supporting sports, in inspiring young generation of sports people, of women, and really ensuring that Kenya continues to be world beaters.
Ayuano nararenga Chinsa Ikomi kondinyoro na gikora gense ya muyabanwa nujuganyora yamona mange bananete kwariganiwa achikora tuko chaso live ni osero gikora gense ya muyabanwa rango ate nagenda kubati Ndizi dinero once mosi ingetumira nangyo asomoroberio ubwensa kya chumatane kadochikoria mangana yechisemi yenero Ndizi TV once mosi etwa na Joshua utakorwa sense mumanyerero abigari nyanja mane kunago cherwetira sichibi chamona mariogi eliane Brighton Makori.